Hello guys, welcome to Next Coders. In today's video, I'm going to tell how to install MySQL into your desktop in Windows 11. So just click MySQL.com, which is the official website of MySQL. Click on Downloads and scroll down. You can see the free version MySQL Complete GPL downloads. Click on it and click on MySQL installer for Windows. And you can see the version here, MySQL installer 8.0.44, which is the actual version. I recommend you to install the message installer of 550.3 MB. So click on it and just click on no thank just start my download because we need to log in or sign up for Oracle account. But if you want to download without signing up, just click on it. So you can see it will be downloaded soon. Please download it. Just click on it. Wait for some time. Click on yes. Click on yes. And you can see there are four types of setups here. So you can click on full, and if you want to save data you can click on custom, and you can see you can select the products which you want to download. But I'm going to use free full version, which we can have all the products of SQL. Then click on next, and if you want to change the directory you can change here, but I want to save here, so next. Yes, and click on execute, and it will start installing. you can, you can see that everything had been installed. So click on next, click on next, and just click on next, click on next. Now create your own password. Keep a strong password and repeat the password again to confirm it. Click on next and click on next. And this is the location where your skill had been installed. Click on next and just click on execute. Everything had been finished. Just click on finish and click on next and finish. Click on finish next, and username. It's actually the username uh, root, and add the password. And you have to write the password which you have given to it. So click on execute and click on finish. Then click on next and click on finish. And this is the SQL, so you can use it. You can see that SQL has been installed. So this is the video. Bye and subscribe to Next Coders.